Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Bjorn and I have been fortunate enough to be invited to stay at La Riviera, the Angkor Resort. So let's show you our room.
Alright, so just a bit of info on our room. We are staying at the Garden View Villa, which is just outside the swimming pool. So let us show you the way.
Okay, so we are staying at the Garden View Villa. We are room number 2. And here's a nice spacious balcony. You can do some work out here. There's a ceiling fan, which is great. And this is our beautiful room. Okay, so here we have a nice big couch to lounge. And there's some art on the walls.
Local Khmer village. Beautiful.
Okay, and then here is the bed. Nice bed. Beautiful. I'm not too sure where Bjorn is sleeping. Okay, then we go to the bathroom. Okay, here's a nice area for you to hang some clothes, like I am hanging my dress. Okay, here is like a laundry basket. They come and take your laundry in the mornings. You have your own safe, some slops. Then here, basin. Here is a big shower. And here we have a stunning bath. What we have been waiting for.
Oh yeah. Beautifully decorated. And it's also sky lit, which is awesome.
Okay, here is the toilet, but you guys probably don't have to see that. Towel rack. Here we have the minibar fridge, which is stocked with some water, sodas, and some beers.
Of course, the beers.
Yes. And at the top, we have some coffee and tea for the morning.
Nice.
I'll be getting tea or coffee in bed for sure. Okay, and then you have a nice desk if you want to do some work. Here is the drinks menu from the restaurant. Here's the food menu, and then here is also like the breakfast menu for you to choose. They've got a pizza menu, a spa as well, and yes.
Beautiful room. Don't forget the TV. Nicely situated right in front of our giant bed. Okay guys, so now that we've shown you a bit of the room, it's a bit hot outside, so we might take a dive in the pool, and we'll show you that in a second.
It's so close to this room as well.
Yeah, it's literally just a 2-minute walk from here.
Yeah.
Not even.
No, not 2 minutes. That's like a minute.
Yeah.
Not even a minute.
Anyway, also a nice thing about this hotel is that it's right on the riverside of the Siem Reap River, and it's also quite close to everything you need to be close to. The old market is literally a 5-minute walk down the road, and for those of you who like to party, it's also in walking distance of Pub Street, which is cool. We'll show you a bit more around the resort in the morning, but for now we've got some friends who are going to meet us by the pool. We're going to have some sundowners and relax for a bit, and then tomorrow we'll link up with one of the staff members here who will take us for a bit of a tour on the resort. And then
Show us the gym and the sauna.
yeah, they've got a sauna, which I'm pretty keen about. And then tomorrow we will also ask more about the prices and the other things that are available for you here at La Riviera de Angkor Resort.
Looking back at the good times before it all went down. Climbed right up on the hillside, a different view of my life. You left me running on and on, but I don't care, would you let me in? You said goodbye like everything's gone, everything that we could have been. But I know you are my liability. Yeah, I know you are my You say that you're sorry. We turn the page and make up.
Alright guys, after having an awesome evening with our friends and having a late dip in the pool and a couple of cocktails, it's now the next morning. We're going to go through to the restaurant area to enjoy a nice breakfast that's included with these awesome rooms. And then hopefully we can find somebody to give us a better tour of the whole resort. There's a sauna and steam room along with a gym and a spa area, which for the ladies out there, I'm sure you would enjoy and like to see. So yeah, come and take a walk with us while we head towards the restaurant and
Enjoy a good breakfast.
yeah, smash an awesome breakfast. I'm going for a full American breakfast with bacon, eggs, the lot. What are you gonna have?
I think I'm gonna go for American breakfast. I also think so. Yeah.
After a few cocktails last night, that sounds good.
Yeah.
All right, let's do this.
Okay, so Bjorn and I are now sitting at the restaurant. We just ordered our breakfast for the morning. So this is the in-house guest menu. So there is choices of American breakfast, which is like 2 eggs, you get bacon, sausage, grilled tomato, sauteed potatoes and toast. Continental breakfast, which is a croissant and a chocolatine. An Asian breakfast, fried rice or yellow noodles with a choice of pork or beef. You get a choice of breakfast wrap, which is a soft tortilla stuffed with scrambled eggs and bacon. A sweet breakfast, which is pancakes or French toast drizzled in country syrup. Comfy home breakfast, which is just a choice of cereals. And a kids breakfast burger, which is a soft sesame bun topped with a fried egg, bacon and tomato. So breakfasts are served from 6:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. And all breakfasts are served with a chill juice, tea or coffee, and seasonal fresh fruit. So I am super excited. So yes, this is the in-house guest menu for when you are a guest and you're staying over. So yes, we'll show you what we got.
In the ground floor, it is the restaurant before the COVID. And since the situation of the COVID, they closed the restaurant. And then we moved to at the front for the restaurant.
I like it in the
It
front.
is a fine dining restaurant.
Ah, okay. Let's have a look. "100 years old." Wow.
That is the
Ah.
and we set up the table for the breakfast,
Ah, so this sort of
lunch,
the restaurant.
and dinner. In closing of the situation of the COVID. We have a plan to opening this restaurant again, but not soon.
Yeah. Ah, awesome. I think it'll be nice. You can also see the pool from here.
Yes.
Beautiful. Nice. Wow, yeah. Beautiful.
This room we have 2 bathrooms.
Ah,
This side is we have the bathtub, the shower, and the toilet. That wall is just only the shower and the toilet, no bathtub.
wow, come look at this bathtub.
See the floor.
Yeah.
Yes. This was the old.
Beautiful. It's like a jacuzzi bathtub.
Sleep in it.
Wow. And a fan in the bathroom, that's awesome.
Yes.
Oh, this is... Yeah, that's really cool. And how much is this room a night?
This room is $175 per night.
Ah,
There's another one of the bathroom.
okay. I prefer the other bathroom.
For a big family, we need 2 bathrooms.
Yeah.
And this side. So that is
That's nice.
the kitchen.
Oh, that's very nice.
We
We have
don't
like
have a
a
kitchen, we have a
private dinner here.
Yeah.
basement. We have a small
Alright, so our time here at the resort is sadly almost coming to an end after having that awesome tour of the resort and finding out that it's a lot bigger than we knew. We're going to go spend some time now by the pool and relax with a cocktail or 2, maybe some Cambodia beers and a good swim. So we'll put the drone up now and show you what that looks like from the top, and then yeah, enjoy ourselves for a little bit more before we have to check out. Hey, here's Kitten.
Our little friend.
Here's our new friend. Take a look at her. She's adorable. Say hello, little baby.
Hello. Hello, little baby.
Tanya and I actually met this cat a few months ago when we first visited this resort, and she was an absolute scaredy cat. She wouldn't let anybody touch her, she wouldn't let people come close to her.
She just run away, or she'd just like stay on the roof and she won't come down from the roof.
Now she's a completely different cat. Now that we've come here a couple months later, she's lovely, she's adorable, very playful. She likes to fight with her little paws.
She still doesn't like being picked up though,
Yeah.
but well, that's part of being a wild cat, I guess.
Yeah, and one thing you'll see a lot of here in Cambodia is cats without tails.
Oh yeah, very strange.
Yeah, we don't know the full story behind it, but apparently it's the kind of breed of cat that has been mixed in with a lot of the cats here in Cambodia. You do get the odd cat or two with a tail, but sometimes it's like half a tail with a little crooked edge, which is quite funny. But yeah, we don't know the cat's name yet, but when you do come and visit her, you'll definitely see her.
Yes, I'm sure.
So after Tanya's failed attempt at pouring a good beer, I think I'm going to show her how it's done. Alright. That's how you pour a beer.
Is that empty?
Who pours the best beer?
Is your beer can empty?
Yes. No.
Yeah, you cheated as well, so... A nice phony talk. I don't know I'm gonna get the beer through you. Ah, lovely.
The first Cambodia of the day is always the best Cambodia of the day.
Look at him.
And yeah, just sitting here by the pool, it's very quiet and relaxing. You don't really hear the street outside, which is nice. And yeah, we'll put the drone up now and just show you what this place looks like from the air. Okay, so let's talk about pricing of the rooms that you saw earlier in the video when the gentleman took us around for a walk around the resort. So the garden view room, which is the room Tanya and I stayed in last night, was?
That is $100 a night.
Yeah, $100 a night, and
Yeah.
then the
With breakfast.
oh yeah, breakfast included, and the pool view villas, which are the ones behind us you see here, they were $120 a night. I guess you're paying extra for the pool view, but it's worth it. You literally walk straight out of the villa into the pool, which is amazing. And on a hot day like today, you don't want to be too far from this beautiful pool.
No.
Then the family suite, I think, was
130?
yeah, $130. But you can sleep 4 adults.
Yeah, I think, or 3 adults and like 1 child.
Yeah, 3 adults,
Or-
1 child, or 4 really small adults.
Yeah, yeah.
Then the governor's suite, which was in the big
Wow.
building, which is actually, the gentleman was telling us it's 100 years old, that building, or close to.
Yeah.
And it's got all the original fittings, the original tilings, the original,
Doors,
the doors,
the
the
staircase.
frosted glass.
Yeah.
And that one was 170 an evening. Yeah,
I think.
170.
I think it, yeah.
And that one's got 2
Bathrooms.
2 bathrooms. It's got a jacuzzi style bathtub with a glass window in, which I thought was epic.
Wow. You could literally fall asleep in that thing.
Yeah. And there's also the steam room and the gym, which is included in the price on all the units.
Yeah.
Everyone can use that. It's open to use. Yeah. And we just wanted to say a huge big thank you again to La Rivière de Angkor for having us. Come stay in their beautiful resort. We don't live too far from here, but it feels like we're on an island
holiday.
getaway. Yeah, that's awesome. So we're gonna sit here for a bit more, enjoy some cocktails after this, beer, take a bit of a swim, soak up the sun.
Get a bit of a tan.
Yeah.
We need one.
For sure. And yeah, so thank you for joining us. Please leave a like on this video.
Share the video to friends, family.
Everyone you know, that would be nice. And if you have a favorite resort in Siem Reap, comment below and let us know what you think is your favorite resort, and we'll try our best to go check that one out too. From Tanya and Bjorn, thanks for watching our video, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.